you're feeling a little bit unfocused, demotivated, tired, lethargic, really like your body needs to just rest and your brain needs to shut off, and maybe you don't actually have the time or the space to do that, I want to share with you today a breathing technique that is really effective, very quick, pretty easy to do, and it only takes 3 or 4 breaths before you even notice the difference. So it doesn't take very long at all. It's known as alternate nostril breathing. Some people might know it as a different name, or Nadi Shodhana. So what we do is we use our hands for this one. So you get your peace fingers, your index finger and your middle finger, and you can either place these fingers in between your eyebrow center, which feels like a nice little bit of pressure and also brings your attention to your third eye chakra. Or alternatively, you just take these same 2 fingers and you just place them on your thumb pad here on your palm. Whichever variation you're doing, you're using your thumb, so this is my right hand, you're using your thumb and then your ring finger to close off each nostril. Okay, so the thumb is going to close the right nostril and the ring finger is going to close the left nostril. Okay, so we inhale through the left and then we exhale through the right. Then we inhale through the right and we exhale through the left. So we'll do 3 rounds together now, just so you can get it. If this is new to you, it's probably going to seem a little bit weird. You might notice that one nostril, so one side of the nose is blocked, and it's a little bit difficult to breathe. It does take some practice, as does everything in yoga. So if you don't like it first time, give it another chance. Come back to this video or just do it in your own practice, in your own time. So get your peace fingers and decide if they're going to go here on your third eye or if they're going to rest. I really like it like this, to be quite honest, personally, for my own practice. So you're going to take your thumb to your right nostril, close the right nostril, and then inhale through the left. Use your ring finger to block the left and exhale right. Inhale right. Use the thumb to block the right nostril and exhale left. That's 1 round. So inhale left, close the left, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. So close your eyes and focus for the last round. Inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left. And just keep your eyes closed, relax your hand down, and just take a moment to notice how that felt for you. Maybe it did help you feel focused, because you really have to concentrate. Maybe you feel calm, or maybe it didn't help at all, and that's totally fine, it's totally normal. So you can blink your eyes open. So as I said, this sometimes, as with everything in yoga, it takes a little bit of practice. So you can come back to this video and go through it with me again, or if you got the gist of it, then maybe try it in your own practice. Usually it only takes like 5 or 6 breaths, 5 or 6 rounds of this to really feel the effects of it. So you're talking about 1 or 2 minutes in the morning or anytime you feel stressed, if you're at your desk. Definitely share this with teenagers and those, older children, 9 years plus I share this with. It's really nice for them to do if you've got teenagers in your family or young people. It really does make a difference. It is supporting their nervous system, the parasympathetic nervous system, switching that on. So that's the rest and digest. And obviously, because it is a little bit technical, you can't be thinking about other things because you're trying to focus on, are you inhaling through the right or exhaling through the left? So it really does help you to concentrate. Not everyone's going to love it, but don't worry, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of breathing techniques that you can do. So if you don't love this one, then check out my other videos, because I have a lot of videos on Instagram and my YouTube channel that are focused on breathing techniques for relaxation and also breathing techniques for energizing and waking yourself up, depending on what you need. But I feel like the current energy is a little bit low and slow and heavy, and so maybe you need some clarity, some grounding, some calmness, and some focus. So if you enjoyed that, then please do let me know. If you practice this breathing technique already, then comment below and let me know how often you do it and how it makes you feel.